And the verdict is in. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week here Monday, October 17th, 2016. Here we are looking at the markets, everybody in negative territory. And you have the banks off by 0.65%, leading the direction to the downside, with financials about the same to the downside. A lot of relative weakness here on banks and financials. You'll see here that we have crude oil down 0.61%, gold higher by a bit, silver up a mere fraction, and the VIX dropping. So fear dropping by more than 3%, with the markets down, and also the banks down even more. Looking at the markets here, starting off the S&P 500 ETF exchange traded fund, that is the Spider SPY, and let's go to that one first. And wowzers, everybody hated the music, all but one or two. It was darn near unanimous that the background music was a colossal failure. So anyway, I thought I would give it a shot, and just to see, it's always good to do A and B testing, and it looks like the A won out hands down. So, as you know, there's no music. It's just my voice. I had one user say my voice was like chocolate. Not sure if that's even remotely true, but here we are looking at the spiders. So here's the deal. Today we're down. We have a lower high, lower low, below all major moving averages. Now remember, I put this line, this red line coming across, that I might be a little premature having that in. Not sure, not convinced with this draw pivot candle. We just did not get a leg here because of that. This is truly not a swing low. So this line that we broke, I'm not overly excited about that, and meaning that it's not that valid to me. So the relevance of this is in question, and that is on the spiders. But nonetheless, we are dropping, but the volume today was fairly light on today's action. The diamonds here, same thing. We come across here support. We're not at the support, we're close to it. Here again, kind of a faux swing low, meaning a faux leg. We do only got a pivot candle and then a drop, so I can't really get excited again about a break of a support line because I'm not 100% sold on that. So we did close below that, and it happened on really light volume for a Monday. NASDAQ, again, same story. We're below it, low volume. We did make a lower high, lower low. We're down below most moving averages. And if you look here at the small caps, this Russell's 2000, we've been below a major trend line. I called it a sell, a double sell actually. Look at this, a sell on this date, which was September 29th, also on October 4th, a double sell, and then we have since drifted lower, 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 then breaking a big area of support. The only thing giving us support right now is this rising 100-day moving average. Now, we've been down a while. Wouldn't surprise me to get a little bounce here. We'll see if that actually happens. The banks broke major support. I called it a sell back here on October 11th. Drop, 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 and it has just been dropping. And we continue to do so. We're below the 50-day moving average, and we have some support coming across with this line right here. It'd be interesting to see what it does with that support level. And then financials, called it a sell here, down, 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 and now we broke a big time line. This is huge, guys. Financials not at all looking healthy, and I'm going to put a double sell on this one. Double sell. We closed below a significant trend line that I think should be something that we should be looking at. So we did close there. Let's see, crude oil, I called it a sell. We continue to drift lower, but this is a hammer. I'd be looking for crude oil actually getting bullish again. So even though I got a sell on this one, I do expect to see a bounce soon. So let's see if that happens. And if you look here, gold is a low base, guys. This is so good for a short opportunity to the downside. That's what I'm waiting on. Silver, I called it down. We continued down, but it's almost like this dude is wanting to go higher. So even though gold, usually they're in tandem, so it's kind of weird for me to say, hey, this one looks more bullish, when gold looks more bearish. But I call it as I see it. And there you have it. So if you like this video better, like it and let me know in the comments. And sharing is caring.